Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This one-owner 2020 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 5,378 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a PINGEL electronic shifter and a detachable Harley-Davidson backrest, a detachable Harley-Davidson windshield, luggage rack, Cariac and ISO grips, an Oberon adjustable reach clutch lever. The Freewheeler offers riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels, and unlike its larger, grand touring sibling the Tri-Glide, it's stripped down just to the essentials of riding. Powered by a Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch V twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,047 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.